Hi folks, welcome back to another video of Artisan Reads. This is in continuation with the first part, with the disclaimer that it's just another page of my sketchbook and sketchbooks are just for practicing purposes. So here I drew the hand of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. I had a set of crayon colors, so just wanted to test it and review it and how it can be used, because I know that they were not of very good quality. I did some swatch test and they turned out to be really bad. The colors was not at all even. The pigment was unevenly spread all over the paper. So here I am just trying to figure out the best way to use these type of crayon colors in any artwork, because as a stationery lover, or rather a stationery holder, I just cannot waste or let go of any of my stationery that I've collected so far from all the random places I've been to. Yeah, so you can enjoy the process and any feedbacks or suggestions are welcomed.